alarm clock. B is for blanket. C is for chair. D is for drawer. E is for electric fan. S for fork. G is for glass. H for headphones. I is for iron. J is for jacket. K is for kettle. L is for light bulb. N is for notebook. O is for oven. P is for picture frame. U is for quilt. R is for remote control. S is for sofa. T is for television. U is for umbrella. V is for vacuum cleaner. B is for wardrobe. X is for xylophone.